Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. This is a Focus Friday video, and for the month of February, we are focusing on colouring. So every Friday we'll be looking at a new technique to colour in, and this week we're going to be looking at using watercolour pencils with blender pens. So let's get started. Stamp set is this one called Awesome Otters. So I've got my little otter here in my stamparatus, so I'm just going to stamp him in some black ink. I'm using a permanent ink here, you could use what you want. Give him a proper push down. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm going to just turn this round so I can use the next bit of cardstock. Firstly, I'm going to give my otter a little clean so I can remove him from the stamparatus. Sorry, he's squeaking so. So let's put a little otter away so he's safe in the sand and he's home there. And then I'm going to put the mat back in for here because we are going to be using our next stamp, which is a photopolymer, and that was a cling mount. So this is this great stamp set I got free in Celebration, Special Moments. Absolutely amazing. You get this free with a purchase. Tickets of over £90. Anything over £90 you get this one free. Some of them are over £45, they vary. Okay, but you get it free with a purchase, so freebie is always a good thing. So I'm just going to put that there somewhere and restamp. I'm going to use Memento this time, I think, because not always happy to use permanent ink with photopolymer. Just me. There you go, I have something for you, which I think is so cute with a little fishy. So let's put this away. Let's give our stamp a little clean so we can also put him away. This is just a simple chamois and it works an absolute treat. Okay, so let's clear our decks here and bring back our little fella. And as I said, I'm going to use the watercolour pencils with a blender pen. So here are my blender pens. And then I keep all of my watercolour stuff in my little Harry Potter pencil case. So I'm going to take out my watercolour pencils. And this is both sets 1 and 2. And I'm going to use my blender pen. So let's get one of these out here. And we're going to start colouring. So I'm going to do a little bit with this with you, and then I'll put you on fast forward so you don't have to see me doing everything. So all I'm going to do here is put some colour down with my pencil. So here I'm using Early Espresso. And then I'm just going to use my blender pen, as you can see here, just to blend it out. And you get a different effect to using the watercolour. So let's go on, and I'm going to actually now just put all of it down. I just wanted to show you there what it's like. So I'm going to put a light colouring. I'm not too concerned about the lines because I actually want the lines to show because they look like his fur. So I want it to look a bit jagged. So then I'm going to go in again with my blender pen and just blend out as you can see all the colour. like that. Now I go from light to dark, so I'm going to slowly start to build up the colouring, and I'm going to just zoom you in actually so you can see a bit more. So I'm going to put you on fast forward, and I'm going to continue to colour them in, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I've coloured in our little otter, and then I cut him out using the stitched rectangle dies, which are these ones here. And now I'm going to mat him on some of our designer series paper, and this is the something marvellous. What's it called? Let me have a look. Simply Marvellous designer series paper, and this is also a freebie in Celebration, which is wonderful. It's always good to get freebies. So I'm just going to mat this little one down, something like that, and then I'm just going to cut this out freehand like that, and then I cut out a little sentiment here as well, just freehand, and then I'm going to also mat this on our scrap here of paper. So waste not, want not, we're using it all up, and then we're just going to cut round our sentiment here, just like that. Okay, so let's assemble our card. Our card base is Misty Moonlight. That's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then fold in half. And then we've got a big piece of this Merry Marvellous paper, the same that we've been using to back everything else. And this is just 14.35 centimeters by 10. Now we're going to put our little otter down, just like that. Okay, lovely. And then we're going to just put our sentiment somewhere, and I'm going to pop our sentiment up on some dimensionals quickly. There we go. And get those backings off. Eek. And then where shall we put this? Put them around. Put it somewhere like that, I think. And then I've got some of these. These are the Holiday Rhinestones. And I'm just going to put these here and there, just to add a little sparkle. They match really, really well. Okay. Oops, it's sticking to me and not the... Oh, come on. And not the card. I'm just going to leave it at 3 this time. So, there you go. Got 2 different colours in the background. Which one do you like better, A or B? Let me know. So that was our Focus Friday, looking at watercolour pencils and blender pens. I hope that was helpful to you. If you did enjoy the video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about this project, the supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.